Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Reign of Law. And today this is the third video in this YouTube channel. And today I would like to speak a few lines on the topic Acrimony towards Terrorism, the Constitution of India and the Indian Penal Code. According to the Black's Law Dictionary by Henry Campbell Black, citizenship means the status of being a citizen. In India, a citizen of India enjoys full civil and political rights. The Citizenship Act 1950 of India was last amended in 2019. That is the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. As per the Constitution of India, Part 2, Articles 5 to 11 mentions about who can be a citizen in India, and these have been categorized into three categories, namely citizen by domicile, citizen by registration, and citizen by migration. It has been also mentioned in Part 2 of the Constitution of India about the termination of citizenship. Article 10 of the Constitution of India mentions that a citizen of this nation, that is India, may remain as citizens of this nation until the Parliament makes such laws which deprive such person of his citizenship in India. Terrorism falls under the purview of the eligibility criteria for the termination of citizenship of India. As per the Black's Law Dictionary, terrorism means the use or threat of violence to intimidate or cause panic. Terrorism has brought degradation to the society. Due to terrorism, the sense of security of the citizens of a nation gets hampered, and the practice of terrorism has brought moral decay in humanity, that is, decadence. Chapter 6 of the Indian Penal Code mentions about offenses against the state. Section 124A of Chapter 6 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 mentions about sedation. Sedation means an act which brings or tend to bring hatred or contempt or excite or attempting to excite disaffection towards the government of India by either words spoken or written, by signs or by visual representations. Terrorism comes under the purview of Chapter 6, Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code 1860. When the persons who are found guilty of terrorism, their citizenship of India may be terminated, then it will be a massive blow to the force of terrorism, because then such persons will not enjoy any civil and political rights of this nation, and they shall also not enjoy any fundamental rights of this nation. Hence, they will not be entertained by the laws of this nation. As the citizens of India, we have to perform the fundamental duties such as upholding the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, to abjure violence and to safeguard public property and all other fundamental duties as enshrined in the Constitution of India under Part 4A, Article 51A of the Constitution of India. Fundamental duties means obligations of the citizens of the nation towards the nation. As we enjoy our fundamental rights as the citizens of this nation, we must also perform our fundamental duties. Terrorism is a serious problem to India as well as from the global perspective. Termination of citizenship of such persons who are found guilty of terrorism can be a major step in minimizing and eradication of terrorism from the globe. Today I would like to conclude this video with a motivational verse from the Old Testament of the Holy Bible, King James Version, Psalm 23, David's verse. The Lord is our shepherd. What more do we need? He lays us down in green pastures. He leads us beside the still waters and calms our soul. He uplifts our soul by leading us to the path of righteousness. Though we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we fear no evil, for the Lord is with us. In the presence of our enemies, the Lord presents us a banquet of flowers. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life, and we will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and a day. Thank you.